Hi, sixth graders. So today we are going to start a project and it is going to be due on Friday. So you guys are going to be creating pixel art. So pixel art is very similar to when we would graph a mystery picture on a coordinate plane because you don't know what the picture is until you have completed the entire assignment. Okay, so you are going to have 22 two-step equation problems that you will have to solve correctly. Now, again, 22 problems, but I am giving you 3 days to complete this. All right, so after this video, you're going to get a link and it's going to lead you to a Google Sheets page that looks like this. At the very top, it says best when view is set to zoom 50% or 75%. Right now it's 100, but I have to scroll a lot to read everything. So if you go right here and you hit the 50% button, okay, it zooms out like that and you can read everything. Okay, so you are going to read all the directions, correct answers. It tells you if they're correct right away. It turns to black and then pixels appear. Incorrect, it stays red. So you know if you have an incorrect answer or a correct answer. Okay, level of difficulty, we are going to stick with level 1. So at the very bottom, there's 2 levels, this tab and this tab. You are going to click level 1. When you click level 1, it's going to lead you to a page that looks like this. Okay, so on this page, you have 22 problems. Okay, and you're going to solve them just like we've been solving them. So, for example, for this one, 14x minus 1 equals 55. What are we going to do first in this problem? Well, 14x, we want to get it by itself. So we're going to add 1 to both sides. So we end up getting 14x equals 56. And that's a classic one-step equation. We divide by 14 on each side. And we end up getting as our answer, and we'll put it right here, just type the number 4. So if 4 is correct, it will turn to black, and then some pixels will appear in this image. Okay, now again, my computer's a little older, so it may take some time to process. Be patient with your technology, okay? If it is correct, give it a little bit of time, and then pixels will appear and it will turn black, okay? In the meantime, what I want to really focus on is problem number 8, which looks like problem number 10, number 16, number 20, number 22. Okay, oh, and you can see it turned black. We have some pixels. By the time you finish all 22, the whole entire image will be completely filled in. Okay, but let's go back to problem number 8. We really haven't seen a two-step equation like this before. But x minus 12, okay, that minus 12 is stuck with that x. So we can't do anything to this top part until we get rid of that 2. Okay, we can't get x by itself until we get rid of this 2. So this line stands for division. So we're dividing by 2. So we need to do the opposite of dividing by 2. So we are going to multiply by 2. That cancels out these 2. But what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Okay, so our final problem ends up being x minus 12 equals 4. And now it's just a one-step equation. We add 12 on both sides, and our answer ends up becoming 12 plus 4 is 16. And we plug that in there, okay? So for all of those problems that have have a problem going on the top and are dividing by a certain number, get rid of that bottom number first. So for this one, same thing. For this one, get rid of that bottom number by doing the opposite, which is multiplying by that bottom number. Okay, and you can see I got 16 correct and some pixels filled in. So it may take a little bit of time for the Google Sheets page to process your answer, but be patient because it does actually come up. Okay, so to recap, you are going to solve all of these 22 problems. Okay, at the very end, when you are done, okay, this is due on Friday, all of the problems completed. Okay, ask me any questions, send me emails. When you are done, you are going to title this page with your first name. So I will go Miss R, okay, and then you are going to share it and you're going to type in my email address and share this with me so I can see your finished picture.